the puncture, the slow puncture, this will check that I have the right pressure at the rear. T-clock is important. Then we can go. I have a slow puncture. We filled it up a day ago. So no, it's now at 24.5 psi. I'm now on my way to the garage. My bike is being fixed by Njero. If you're watching this video and you come from Nairobi, you know who Njero is. Njero is one of the best mechanics we have. And I'm using Waiyaki Way heading down to ABC intersection, and then I will take the link road all the way to Red Hill, and Njero is based at the end of Red Hill Road where Gashie begins. So something I would like to bring up to you is that Waiyaki Way is still under construction, so with new diversions every day, new rubber bumps and bumps erected every day, especially where there is heavy human traffic. So always be on the lookout for your safety and the safety of other road users. I know this question is burning most of you, and you want to ask me, why have I decided to do this conversion? I'm doing this simply because I want comfort, more comfort. I had a puncture the other day and I didn't like the experience. My previous bikes have been tubeless tires and therefore easier to manage whenever I have a puncture. Something that I can even repair on my own. But when you have a tube tire, the work is a bit more, requires more time, requires more equipment. You need to carry an extra good tube almost all the time, because you never know where it's going to happen and what damage you'll have on it. And to avoid all that, I just want to make this conversion. Now I've entered this road, the link road, and this is the side towards Red Hill where they erected bumps a few months ago that caused a number of accidents. I think we lost some people here. We've gotten people in hospital for a while. So I just want to be cautious because I don't know where those bumps are. To continue with this conversation, I was talking to people in my group, Royal Enfield group, and all I wanted to know is, has anyone made this conversion and how did they go about it and how is the bike working after that? And one of the gentlemen inboxed me and said, you need to be careful to make this conversion because tubeless tires or tubeless rims and tires are different from tube rims and tires. What does this mean? Well, we've reached the bumps. Here comes the second one. Gosh, who else hates rubber bumps when you're on a bike? Please let me know in the comment section below. I was talking about the difference between the tubeless and the tube rims and tires. So he asked me to read an article that I'm going to actually put in the description box. It explains how the tube rims and tubeless rims work, and the risk he says I might run into is having the air not hold when I convert a tube rim and tire into a tubeless. So what I have decided is to ask Njero to check my tire and my rim and tell me whether it is fit for this conversion. So I'm going to take the bike today, leave it there, and then he will have to check both the front and the rear rims and tires and let me know whether it's fit. If it is not fit, too bad for me, I'll have to stick with tube tires. And if it can be done, then I will change into tubeless. This road is so beautiful and also doesn't have traffic, so this is a road you need to ride on and enjoy it. It's lit, so if you choose to ride on it at night, you'll also enjoy it because it's very, very well lit. I am now just about to get to Njeru's. This is part 1 of my journey to converting my tube tires into tubeless. My fingers are crossed that it's going to be possible, and I hope to be able to bring you the part 2 where I will also get to know whether I can do it or I cannot do it. So until the next video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so that you don't miss on that part 2 that is actually more important, and also other videos in future that come with helpful information. I'd like to end this video here by wishing you a lovely weekend. I have arrived at Njeru's and we are going to see you in the next video. Please have safe rides and remember, at get all the time. Mambo? Hapo sawa?
Karibu, hapo sawa.
Njeru umefika?
Nimefika, ameenda spare. Ndio tunachanjwa mguu.
Haya, kwa heri, nitaongea naye kwa simu. Sawa? Bye.